It's going on the YouTube and the Instagram.
Hey, what's up YouTube? What's up Instagram? Everybody follow bro. He's lit.
Alright, what's up y'all? Welcome back to mb.moto. Last night I went to a car meet. There was a ton of JDM cars, some sports cars, and a shit ton of bikes. Cops were already pulling people over before I even left my house, so it was a little sketchy to ride there. But I recorded the ride there, but my GoPro also died before I could get the ride home on video. Still checked it out though. A lot of fun, some good times, a lot of good vibes, some good music. But besides that, let's get into it.
What's good, bro?
What you doing?
Going to the car meet.
Oh, good?
Yeah. Hey, we recorded it too.
Hey, don't get caught by 12.
I'm trying. I don't got lights. Oh, okay. What can I do you for? I go? I've seen a lot of muscle cars. We're going to follow the law. Like, a line. I do need this green light, or this fucking walk crossing, whatever the fuck it's called. I need this shit so I can fucking cross, and I'm slipping. What the fuck? Yo, I'm about to just fucking go. Is it worth it? Nah, it's too many cars. Bro, fuck. I'm jaywalking this shit, or J-riding this shit. Oh, I heard, oh! Please tell me you heard that beautiful beast. Damn, that shit clean too. You can go, bro. I'm crossing. You good, bro. I'm hyped up. This is my first car meet in like, I know, I probably want to say like, this is the first. What the fuck? Oh, that shit clean. Is that you? Oh, it's not you. Mr. Ossifer. How are you doing tonight? The aggressive head taps. Why is he... Yo! Why is he not going? Oh, that scared the shit out of me. What the fuck? Holy shit! Excuse me. Sorry. You gotta be nice to the older folks, you know? Or else karma gonna come and bite you in the ass. There's no fucking parking, bro.
You said what?
There's no parking.
Over there?
Anywhere.
No, the bike's parked over there. I'm just here because my friends want to be assholes.
I like the bike.
Appreciate it. I like yours.
Thank you, thank you.
When I see you pull up, I was like, what the fuck?
Dude, this is my first time coming to one of these meets in like 6 months.
No way.
It's been a while.
No way. If you want to park with the cooler people, you can go.
Bro, there's too many cool people over there, bro.
Oh.
Fuck no.
What is this?
140.
I was gonna say, yeah. Hell yeah.
It doesn't look bad though.
Hey, shit.
Like the white is textured, bro. I don't have my light.
Hell yeah.
We did like splatter paint.
Hell yeah.
Mira, ¿y no van a ir para la playa entonces?
What's up?
It's going on the YouTube and the Instagram.
Hey, what's up YouTube? What's up Instagram? Everybody follow bro. He's lit.
Yo, Chris! Listen! Is there a red light?
Huh?
Is there a red light?
Yeah.
Alright. Fair point. Hey, I didn't think it happened, bro.
You're right.
Ladies first. Damn, there really is no stop. Huh? I have no room.
I like this bike, man.
I spray painted it.
You scrape it?
I spray painted it. This is all spray paint. Huh? You wanna go over there? You wanna go over there? Wanna go? Let's do it! Let's do it! Oh, bro.
This shit's nice, man.
Thank you, bro.
You paint it or no?
I spray painted all of it.
Spray painted all of it? Because you know he does the same shit. This one nicer though. Better than the green.
Okay, yeah. The seat does not hold spray paint. I found that out the hard way.
It's still nice.
This whole shit took me.
What kind of bike is it?
You just hopped on my buddy's truck.
Oh, that's y'all? Nice to meet you again, bro.
It's a Kawasaki 140.
140? Hey, it looks nice though. It doesn't look too small.
Bro, this shit was lime green. It was not that dark. It was lime fucking green.
Dirty as fuck underneath.
Yes, bro.
I like it though.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Is it lowered or is it just how it looks? There was a bike here. Yeah, you guys can go over there. Hey, we're trying to find this person.
He wants us to go over there, but everybody's crowding over there.
Hey, go get those through here. That's why.
What do you mean? There's cars parked in the entrance over there.
He came over here fast. That's why they know. We had a horrible time
Hey,
getting
I
in
said
there.
I was gonna buy your bike.
I'm trading it in now. You took too long. Hey, go steal that Mini Cooper spot. He was giving us shit earlier.
Cool.
Go steal them right now. Hey, can you like balance point, slow wheelie and shit or no?
Is there even room over there?
I'm gonna have to get you guys to move. I'm
Yeah,
so
no,
sorry.
you're good, man.
Right now.
I just want to be able to get a car to get out of here. Will you guys start filling in where that bike is over there?
Yeah, for
I'm
sure.
gonna start selling all the bikes over
Yeah, I
there.
was just about to go check the room over there.
Check your phone.
I think you meant by the pump.
Huh?
I think you meant we can go by the pump.
Take that spot. Go park up there so there's multiple bikes.
Where?
Oh, that spot right there.
No! Come here! Me, you, and that bike right there are gonna take that parking spot.
He said, yeah?
You gotta make that shit bike parking.
Oh, God. I'm gonna go behind the car. I gotta be careful because of the cop. Give me a rev, bro. Come on. Hey, you wanna grab my Instagram?
Yeah.
I'll give you the one for the bike. Shit. Ah. So much shit to stuff in here, bro.
You know what I can't wait to do when I get home?
What?
Smoke a fat bowl.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this one. If you enjoyed the ride, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next ride. Ride safe.